Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power at the breaker for the kitchen circuit and labeling the switch so no one turns it on. Once done, test the spotlight with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm 0 voltage. Make sure you have a step ladder, gloves, safety glasses, a screwdriver set, pliers, and the exact replacement lamp and trim. Now climb the ladder, remove the trim or lens by twisting or unclipping, and expose the bulb and retaining hardware so you can proceed safely and efficiently. You'll now remove the lamp and possibly the housing. First, release the retaining springs or undo screws. Pay attention to orientation so reassembly is obvious. Next, disconnect the connector or untwist the wire nuts while supporting the fixture so it won't fall. Inspect the wiring and mounting bracket for damage. Replace any brittle parts. Slide the new lamp or module into the housing, align the tabs, and reseat the springs or screws until the fixture is snug and flush with the ceiling. Once the new lamp is secured, reinstall the trim or lens and wipe away fingerprints. You can now restore power at the breaker. Stand clear and flip the circuit on while watching the fixture. Test the light for steady operation, correct beam direction, and proper dimming if applicable. If it doesn't work, shut the breaker off again and recheck the wire connections. Confirm the bulb matches the fixture rating and dimmer compatibility, and ensure the module is fully seated. Finally, tidy tools and dispose of the old lamp properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.